po contingent number 2. Marinig po contingent number 3. At para sa announcement ng resulta, tinatawagan ko po ang ating chairman of the Board of Judges, Dr. Jonathan Roque.
Third place.
200,000 pesos worth of project at 25,000 pesos mula kina Speaker Boji D, Vice Governor Kiko D at Mayor
Maligaya ata.
With an average score of 91.5.
Maligaya yun.
Sino kaya ang third place? Third place is contingent number 3.
Contingent number 3 is together of Santo Domingo Elementary School, headed by Sir Pedrito Pinalay, and that is East District, Dr. Lorna de la Cruz. Again, that's East District, Dr. Lorna de la Cruz.
Congratulations, contingent number 3. Second place.
300,000 pesos worth of projects at 25,000 pesos mula kay House Speaker Boji D, Vice Governor Kiko D at Mayor Nino D.
With an average score of 94.5%. Second place is
Saigan
contingent
lang sana, di ba?
number. Meron doon. Ano po sa inyo dyan?
Maligaya, mas maganda yan, 2.
Dito po.
2.
Kita ko na sa inyo mga
Mas
daliri.
maganda yan, 2.
Second place
Two.
is contingent
Two.
number 1.
Contingent number 1 is San Felipe, Nilumitulog ng Salvador, Lumangay, Radal. South District, Dr. Flordanita Arudio. Ito po ay headed nila Surgeon Icho Quintana, Marlon Bruza, Ronald D, Ineta Agustin, at Norman Galing.
And our champion with an average score of 97.5.
500,000 pesos o kalahating milyong worth of projects at 25,000 pesos mula kay House Speaker Boji D, Vice Governor Kiko D at Mayor Nino D.
Our champion is contingent number 2.
Contingent number 2 is Tucama, Pune, Garin, Maligaya. That is West District headed by Dr. Mariby Oriani. At ang ating mga school heads ay sina Ma'am Maria Visitacion de Vera, Gloria Asuncion at Conchita Ancheta. Maraming salamat po muli ang ating winner. Ang overall winner para sa ating Battle of the Champions ay ang contingent number 2, Tucama, Pune, Garin, Maligaya Elementary School. Maraming salamat po at congratulations po sa inyong lahat.
Nasa katulad din, pag ginapan na.